Hold on, as here comes 5 hacks for jet skis. When you're punching through swell, water can get under the front bonnet of your jet ski and into the storage bin, wetting everything inside. This is a common problem because many jet skis only have hatch seal tape on one side of the storage bin rim. To fully waterproof your front storage bin, simply add hatch seal tape to both sides of the storage bin rim. Now everything stays dry. If you're struggling to find marine hatch seal tape, you can always use weather seal tape from your home hardware store. Many states require jet skiers to carry specific safety equipment when venturing offshore. This generally includes flares, which are best kept in a dry container. Unfortunately, there's limited storage on a jet ski, and the typical flare container takes up way too much space. Thankfully, the pasta container in your pantry is the perfect size for flares, and will also fit the rest of your safety gear. This saves an enormous amount of space in your front storage bin. Give it a try. A common mistake when launching a jet ski is forgetting to insert the drain plugs. It's an easy mistake to make and one of the fastest ways to sink your jet ski. But there's a simple way to help you remember the plugs.
Hey, you wouldn't have any stickers I could borrow? Oh, perfect. Hang on, aren't they your brothers?
Place a sticker or some electrical tape near the safety chain on your trailer. That way, every time you go to launch your jet ski, you'll be reminded of the drain plugs. Riding a jet ski can be thirsty work, but having a drink while on the move can be rather tricky. First you've got to sit down, and then you've got to open the storage hatch one-handed. And putting the water bottle back without stopping is even harder. But there is a really good alternative to water bottles. Mountain bikers have been using hydration bladders for years, and now jet skiers can too. You'll need a life jacket with a hydration pocket. These life jackets are becoming more and more popular. Most will fit a 2 to 3 litre water bladder. Feed the hydration tube through the webbing on the shoulder strap so it's accessible while you're riding. Now you can easily take a sip without stopping, and it leaves more room in the glove box for other stuff. After use, a little extra tip is to drain the bladder and then store it in your freezer. This keeps it clean by preventing the buildup of microbes. While we're in the kitchen, have you ever considered whether you really need a dishwasher? I mean seriously, there's no better SUD generator than a jet ski. Simply pour some dishwashing liquid into the garden hose before flushing your jet ski. And voila! Along with cleaning the dishes, the dishwashing liquid helps break down salt deposits while flushing your jet ski. Just run the water until the bubbles stop.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, send it to some of your hapless jet ski mates and click subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. There's heaps coming up, including this disaster.
Well, there you have it. 5 of the best hacks for jet skiers. If you know of any other hacks, leave a comment below and I'll feature them in a future video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, hang in there, and I'll see you next time.